Just taking a quick look at Polygon on the daily time frame, then super quick update. As you can see on the charts, we have been coiling up for this whole bear market here. As you can see, we had our massive bull market, slight overextension, huge bear market. We've obviously got support, resistance, we break out and come up to our 618 Fibonacci, but then come back inside with the massive rollover that we saw for Bitcoin, leading altcoins into the toilet. Obviously coming down, losing our 100 moving average as well, was not ideal for Polygon, as it had been in quite a nice uptrend for a while here, as you can see, but very choppy, as everyone will probably know from the charts. For Polygon here, we have had a very choppy time over the past, I'd say 6, 7, 8 months. The whole bear market really has been excessively choppy. But you can see Polygon, or Matic, or whatever you want to call it here, just losing support and then losing support again, coming down and finding support at the bottom of our big coiling pennant that we have seen. Right now just stuck under this previous level of support as resistance here, waiting for its time in the sun, following what Bitcoin's doing and waiting to see where Bitcoin will go next. We could be looking at potentially a W bottom pattern. Double bottom pattern. God, I can't say that properly. But overall, things looking fine for Polygon as well. We're just waiting for Bitcoin to do its thing.